job we got on now? A leak. We're going to go and have a look at a leak now. Leaking toilet. So, don't know what we've got, where the leak's coming from, but we're going to have a look. So, check back in a minute.
Turning tragic into art feels like magic, just like magic.
Okay, guys. Basically, the leak was coming from the fibre washer on the inlet valve. We're going to replace them with these better quality ones. If you've not tried these Fluid Masters, really good, aren't they, Harvey? Harvey knows best because he's going to fit them. He's going to show you how to do it. We're going to do 2 of them we've got to do. So we'll fit 2 of them. Harvey's going to show you how to do it upstairs. Let's go. First, just got to take off the inlet water. A little bit of water come out. That's not even tightened on, is it? That's how easy that came off. We've got the new one. Yeah, new one out. Very easy to install. In like that, and then all I do is tighten that nut up. See this? This is what we put on last time. Total crap, about £2. You get a few turns on it first, yeah?
Yeah, like 4.
That's right. Use back behind there. Newspaper, silicone. Gotta be a bear can under there somewhere. Bear can. That's it done. And always check it under there with a bit of tissue. Make sure there's nothing leaking. It's just not.